Good morning to all. I am going to present a PPT about pacemaker. And the main function of the human heart is to generate the electrical impulses to pump the heart. Pacemaker is a small device that placed or implanted in the chest or near to the human heart to regulate the heartbeat. It generates electrical impulses to pump the heart. Types of pacemaker. There are two types of pacemaker, external pacemaker and internal pacemaker. External pacemaker. External pacemaker is one of the fastest method for treating humans to maintain the heartbeat during surgery. It can be used only in emergency to pump the heart. In external pacemaker, 8 milliampere current and 150 volt voltage source is required because the human body is covered with a skin, so high current source is required to regulate the heartbeat. The main disadvantage of using the external pacemaker is it can cause burns or pain. Internal pacemaker. When pacing is required for long time or permanent, we are using the internal pacemaker. This is the device implanted in human heart or abdomen by surgery. It produces electrical impulses to prompt the heartbeat at a normal rate. In internal pacemaker, 20 milliampere current and 15 volt source is required. Compared to external pacemaker, it requires minimum amount of current source because the pacemaker is placed near to the human heart. The main components used in pacemakers are electronic circuit and lead. Asynchronous pacemaker. It is defined as pulse generator in which the repetitions rate of electrical impulses is generated to the heart. It is independent of heart because it generates the electrical impulses continuously to the heart. Power supply. We are using the lithium iodide battery in the pacemaker because its duration is 12 to 18 years. Oscillator is nothing but a DC. While giving the DC input, it gives AC output. In pacemaker, we are using the multivibrator. It doesn't produce any sine waves. It can produce a square wave. Pulse output circuit. It can change the amplitude and shape. Lead wires is connected to the heart. There are two types. It may be unipolar or bipolar. Synchronous pacemaker that trigger human heart contraction only when the normal beat is interrupted. While the human have normal heartbeat, it doesn't generate the impulses. It can reset and generate the impulses if the human heart is in abnormal condition. Rate responsive pacemaker. Heart rate are adjusted according to the physiological variables. Single chamber pacemaker. In single chamber pacemaker, we have only one lead. It can be placed in atrium or the ventricle. Dual chamber pacemaker. Two lead is placed. One is placed at atrium and another one is placed at ventricle. Biventricular pacemaker. In biventricular pacemaker, we use the three leads. One lead is placed in atria and another two leads are placed in the ventricles. Thank you.